Today, it was going to be all about Yana. But here I am, yet again in this beautiful beach town of Gokarna. And not so sure if and how I will make it to Yana. Let me take you on a journey through grief, regret, and darkness, and the fragile hope of finding light at the end of the tunnel. I almost didn't come to Gokarna. The truth is, I did not want to. Because no matter how beautiful this place is, I know I'll never be able to bring him here. Gokarna was always on my list, but I waited too long. And now the regret stays. That Scooby never got to feel this sand, this wind, and this freedom. But life has its way of letting in light, little by little. There is something about this rain-drenched green vibe of Gokarna that makes you feel like maybe, just maybe, the soul can breathe again. I lost track of time on the beach, and now another regret hits me. I didn't make it to Yana yesterday, and trust me, this wasn't the kind of place I wanted to miss. But before heading out, here is a quick look at Gokarna drenched in monsoon magic. I heard someone mention Yana is closed today. Maybe a landslide, or maybe the road is closed. And just like that, the trip was supposed to end here. But something about this morning felt incomplete. Like the story wasn't finished yet. Sometimes things doesn't go as planned. पर ये सफ़र मैंने किसी बोर्ड के लिए शुरू नहीं की थी. 2 दिन से दिल में सिर्फ एक ही जगह थी, और वो थी याना. और मैं वापस तो नहीं जा रहा. Not like this. Not without trying. Finally reached Yana Caves, but it is closed due to ongoing rains since last 2 days. Bad luck. Deep in this forest, it's very difficult to get GPS signal. Finally, I got some, and let me try to launch my drone. They say this forest has a history, older than memory. Yana is where Bhasmasura was destroyed. The demon who could turn anything to ash with a single touch. उसने शिव जी से वरदान लिया था, पर अहंकार उसका अंत बन गया. लॉर्ड विष्णु took the form of Mohini, distracted him, made him use the curse on himself. और जहाँ उसका भस्म गिरा वही याना बना. I didn't step into Yana, but I saw enough. Sometimes you don't need to enter the temple to feel its power. कुछ कहानियाँ आपको ढूंढ लेती है, चाहे आप उन तक पहुँच पाए या नहीं. I took the Arbel Ghat road back. Raw, wild, soaked in stories. No songs, just traffic. And just the jungle speaking its own language. कुछ सफ़र मंजिल के लिए नहीं होते, बस यादों का एक हिस्सा बन जाते हैं. And in the end, all I took back was silence soaked in the rain. Thank you for watching. Like and share if you like this video. I'll see you next time.